Welcome back to Earning with Bits, everyone. Today, let's do an update on Feyorra and make a withdrawal. After you log in, your dashboard is on the left. Since we already know how to use this site, let's go straight to Faucet and start speed claiming. You claim by solving the CAPTCHA. That's it. Your balance updates after each claim. Once again, this is an easy way to earn free Pepe or USDT. I'll speed up the footage while I make a dozen claims. If you spend 3 minutes at a time doing this, your Pepe can really add up. Okay, great. We made a few claims next. Let's view some ads. Next, select PTC on your dashboard. There are plenty of website ads to choose from. Select one and view the website until the timer runs out. I'm selecting Seoul Kong. This is one of the next sites I will be reviewing. Now solve the CAPTCHA and claim your reward. I'm going to view another ad before we move on. When you're done viewing ads, you can also do Shortlinks to earn more. Select Shortlinks on your dashboard. You can earn over 400 Pepe per Shortlink. Don't forget to claim your daily bonus. Select Daily Bonus on your dashboard. Great, your balance should be updated. Your daily challenges reward you with Pepe as well. It's located on your dashboard like everything else. You can also swap in and out of different tokens. Feyorra has like half a dozen different coins you can earn. Select Swap on your dashboard. Since the site's Pepe balance is low, I'm going to swap to USDT, then withdraw. Go to Swap on your dashboard and exchange the coins. When you're ready to cash out, select Withdraw on your dashboard. If the coin balance is empty, you can swap into a coin that's full. The Pepe balance is low, so we can't withdraw until it's refilled. It happens sometimes. So I'm going to swap to USDT because the Faucet's balance is full. Let's go to Swap. Now I'm going to exchange my tokens. Great. I'm going to withdraw USDT to my C wallet. Feyorra is one of my favorite sites. It's always up and paying. Great, now let's check our C wallet to make sure we've been paid. As you can see, the coins have arrived in my wallet. That's all for today. Thanks for joining us here at Earning with Bits. Please like and subscribe.